while back, my brother Joe and I made a trip out to Tacoma, Washington to meet up and film a video with our friend Patrick, who's amazing at flipping butterfly knives. We only had one day to film with him, so to make the best use of our time, we went to the location a day early to scout out spots we wanted to film at, so we didn't have to do that the day of. I feel like an Asian tourist.
Doesn't mean anything bad.
If I could actually see what I was shooting, this would actually work pretty good. Remedied it, look at this. Got a new little rig now, kind of a shoulder, low mode. Who's this little guy? Marley. Good boy. Hey, buddy. Good boy. All right, have a good day.
You too, thanks.
See ya. Random deer. Wonder if it's the same guy we ran into earlier. Hey, buddy. So just a quick little backstory. Patrick just flew in from Ireland late last night, what, midnight?
I got in at my house at midnight, got in bed around 1 a.m.
And then he drove out here to meet with us at 9 a.m., which is like an hour away from where you live down closer to Seattle.
I woke up at 6.
Gee, so thank you. I'm so sorry, but everything looks so good, so thank you so much, dude. Oh, that's it right there. And go.
That was flawless. That was so.
So I got my workout in for the day. Some good cardio. It's so hot. Look at Patrick's sunburns. Basically where Joe's been bouncing all the light to. Is that one spot? Just a line.
Bright red. I'm sorry. The shade you've been giving me wasn't enough.
It's so funny. That's the one. Okay. So the light is not quite where we want it in this area, so we're going to move and come back to it around 4 or 5 when the light's better and he's not flipping in the shadow. The best part about this spot is he's gonna look completely isolated. People really saw we're filming. So notice it's just right next to the road. Real convenient for us. We don't have to lug everything super far.
I get scared with the camera so close a little bit.
I can get back a little bit.
Just a tiny bit, because this one like swings out.
Okay. great timing. Come check it out. Thinking we can start maybe over here. So there's a little bit more space. Drop it down, just keep going freestyle, and then kind of just end the same way you did at the bridge. I was like, close it, and then walk out of frame. Perfect. Wait, we're going to the dock to get one last shot, and then I think we're done because everyone's tired, and Patrick's running off of like no sleep.
Completely sleep deprived.
It's been a long day.
And I'm just gonna do like rapid fire transfers, keep it all pretty tight. That was it, I think.
Okay. We got it! Woo!